Good day everyone, welcome to Senior Pablo TV. And for today's tutorial video, we will be discussing problem solving involving polynomials. So this will be the mathematical models or the word problems involving algebraic expressions and polynomials. Let's have our first example. Subtract the sum of x squared plus 3x minus 5 and x squared plus 9 from the sum of x squared minus x plus 3 and 2x squared minus 2x plus 1. So we're going to subtract from this. So first is we need to get the sum of this one. So that is x squared minus x plus 3 plus 2x squared minus 2x plus 1. And subtract the sum of these two expressions. X squared plus 3x minus 5 plus x squared plus 9. Okay, again let us repeat. Subtract the sum of, so we need to get the sum of this and subtract to the sum of these expressions. Now combine like terms. So x squared plus 2x squared, that will give us 3x squared. We're done at x squared. Next, negative x minus 2x, that is negative 3x. Done. Then 3 plus 1, that is positive 4. Copy the minus sign. Now combine like terms. X squared plus x squared, that is 2x squared. We're done at x squared. Next, for the x, we only have 3x, so just copy 3x. Negative 5 plus 9, that is positive 4. Now we can remove the parentheses. 3x squared minus 3x plus 4. And in this case, we need to distribute the negative. So negative times positive, that is negative 2x squared. Negative times positive, negative 3x. And negative times positive 4, negative 4. For our final answer, we need to combine like terms. 3x squared minus 2x squared, that is 1x squared or simply x squared. Done. Next, negative 3x minus 3x, negative 6x. Also, we're done at x. Positive 4 minus 4, that will give us 0. So this will be our final answer. It's okay not to write plus 0. This will be the answer. X squared minus 6x. Now let us proceed in our example number 2. Number 2, a 3 feet by 5 feet sandbox is placed on a square lawn. X feet on a side. Express the remaining area as a polynomial. Analyzing our question, we have a square lawn. So a square lawn, which is the measure of each side is x. The measure of each side is x. So to get the area of this, so area of a square lawn is the side square. Since in our question, our area is x, so we have the area is equal to x squared. This is the area of the square lawn. And we have 3 feet by 5 feet sandbox. So 3 by 5. So let's say this is 3 by 5, a rectangle. So this sandbox is placed in the square lawn. So the area of a rectangle is length times the width. So our length here is 5 times the width is 3. 5 times 3, so we have 15 square feet. Now we're going to express the remaining area as a polynomial. So what will be the remaining area if the sandbox is placed on a square lawn? So we have our total area, which is the area of the square lawn, which is x squared. Subtract to the area of the sandbox. The area of our sandbox is 15. Our unit will be feet. This will be the remaining area of the square lawn. So this will be your final answer, or simply x squared minus 15, because we're looking for the polynomial only. So that's our example number 2. Next example, number 3. Now number 3. Find the sum when twice 4x cubed minus 5x plus 2x is added to 12x squared plus 7x minus 5. So let's have a square here. 4x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x. So twice 4x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x is added, or we can say is added to 12x squared plus 7x minus 5. So twice this expression is added to 12x squared plus 7x minus 5. Since this is addition, we can also write our 12x squared plus 7x minus 5 on the rightmost part. So copy 12x squared plus 7x minus 5 plus 2 times 4, that is 8x cubed. 2 times negative 5x squared, negative 10x squared. 2 times positive 2x, positive 4x. Now combine like terms. We have cube, so just copy 8x cubed. Next, 12x squared minus 10x squared, positive 2x squared. So we're done at x squared. Next, 7x plus 4x, positive 11x. Done at x. And copy the constant, negative 5. This will be the sum of twice the given expression added to this expression. So that's on how to solve problems involving polynomials. So analyze first the given or the problem before solving. Thank you for watching Senior Pablo TV, and see you in our inequalities.